IG students. This is just a really quick video on angles in triangles and quadrilaterals. I'm just going to attempt to do a couple of questions from your exercise 15.2, and you'll be able to get on with this, I imagine. There are a couple of tricky ones, and if you do get stuck, feel free to email me and I'll have a look at those. I'm doing 1B here. I've got a quadrilateral PQRS, and I know the angle PQR is y degrees, angle QRS is 2y degrees, and angle RSP is 3y degrees, and angle SPQ is 150, and I've got to find the value of y and find out what values are acute. Well, when you're doing these, just draw a quick sketch, a diagram, right? So here's mine. Well, clearly this is not what is being drawn, what is being described, but for the purposes of what we're doing here, it'll be fine. So we'll call this P, Q, R, S. We know that PQR, angle PQR is y, so that's y. We know that angle QRS is 2y, and RSP is 3y, and SPQ is 150. Oh, well, in this quadrilateral, we know that 3y plus 2y plus y, or 6y, has to be equal to 360 minus 150, because angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. So 6y plus 150 is 360, and therefore 6y is equal to 360 minus 150. So 6y is equal to, what do we have here? 210. So y is going to be equal to 210 divided by 60. So what are we getting for this? We got 3.5. 35, sorry. Okay, 35 degrees. And then we can say, well, in that case, this one over here, that's 35 degrees. This one here is 70 degrees. And this one here is 105 degrees. Which angles are acute? Well, we can therefore say that angle PQR is acute and angle QRS is acute, because acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, that's our first one. Alright, now let's move on to this second question here. Well, what have we got here? We have, the first thing I'm noticing is I'm seeing that I have an alternate angle for W. It's alternate to the 52. So I'm going to say W is equal to 52. The next thing I notice is that I've got a 90-degree angle here, and I've got this triangle, which will help me find Z. So in the triangle, I've got Z is going to be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 52, and therefore Z is going to be 38. 38, yeah. Okay, cool. Now we know Z, we can find, what else can we find? Oh, we know V is equal to 90, because I've got a vertically opposite angle here, right, in the purple, so that's V. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try X. Okay, so X is on a straight line with W, so X is equal to 180 minus W, which is 52. So that's going to be 138. No, sorry, 128. Yeah, 128. Okay, last step in this is we are going to have a look at this quadrilateral here to get y. So y is going to be equal to 360, because angles in the quadrilateral add to 360, and we're going to subtract all our other angles. Subtract 90, which is V. Subtract x, which is 128, and then subtract y, which we found to be, what did we, not subtract y, 73. which is this one here. We're trying to find y. Okay, now when I do that, I get 360 minus 90 minus 128 minus 73. I'm getting 69 degrees as my answer. Alright guys, well that's how we do that. Have a go at the questions in the exercise that I've set for you. And good luck with that. God bless.